Other thing I want to show you about the command center is if you need to use any of the pumps or the heaters. We need AC power, so that's AC electrical power, which is either from a generator in this case, or you're connected outside to external power. So, which is normally the case when you're camping at a campsite. But if you're dry camping, you'd have the generator on. If you're dry camping only, you would need to turn on the water pump. And what that does, the light comes on, is what that does is it uses the freshwater tank onboard water and can pump that water so that when your faucets are on, you'll be able to get water here or in the bathroom and the showers. Normally though, when we're just regular camping, we don't need that on. We do, however, need hot water heat. Now there's two options here. One's for dry camping, and that's your LP gas that uses our propane gas, which is fine for dry camping. Of course, again, we need the electrical power, AC power, from the generator in that case. If we're normal camping, we want hot water, we're about to take a shower, we could just turn that switch on and you could hear the generator kick in a little bit, so it's turning on the heater, which uses quite a bit of power. But after about 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so, you should have plenty of hot water for a nice long shower.